Hey guys, oops, yeah. Oh, and then I can say like, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to tell you the best beauty products that you should buy from Amazon and the ones that you probably shouldn't spend your money on. So let's get into it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and follow me on all my social media. The first thing that I love that I bought from Amazon is this facial roller set. Both products are rose quartz. I honestly love both of these tools so much. They really help to depuff your face, and if you have any tension in your neck or your jaw, any tension in your face, really, it helps a lot with that. So I really love both of these. They came together in a set for like $20 and it's really good quality. I've had mine now for like 2 years, use them all the time, and I really love them. These cotton rounds here, this is like a maybe. I mean, I think they're like $13. You get like 18 or 20 of them. A lot of brands are making other reusable ones that might be better quality than these ones, but I still use them. I like them. They're like in the maybe category. If you're into the euphoria look, you need to get this rhinestone kit. So this kit is actually really good. It came with a bunch of these rhinestones here. I love it. They have different sizes. They're like the crystally kind of color. And it also came with this applicator too. So the set is literally awesome. I think it goes for like $14. This is a must-have if you're into creating fun looks, festival looks, euphoria inspired type of looks. These are incredible. Okay, so the next hair item, these Velcro rollers are so clutch. They come with 3 sizes. They're so good for getting that like 90s volume hair, which I absolutely love. It came with these long clips, this little brush, which I never use, but whatever. And I do use these clips sometimes. These are actually like, you don't even need clips technically, but in the pack it came with these. And I also ended up buying these hair clips here. This came in a pack of 24, I think. Black, pink, and white. There's so many of these. These are awesome for doing your makeup, getting your hair out of your face, like doing one of those things. Plus they're super cute and they don't create dents in your hair. And especially if you're gonna be using Velcro rollers like these clips are really good. And then these ones come in the set with the Velcro roller, so why not? Like, you'll use them anyways. You don't need to buy these smaller ones, but I wanted them because I prefer them a little bit more. And you can use them with these too. I find that they hold better. These long ones aren't the best. They kind of just like slip. But sometimes when I do use the Velcro rollers, I do throw these in too. But anyways, both clips are really good. The last really good purchase that I got from Amazon is for my gel nails. So I bought this LED nail lamp, which is super lightweight. You plug it in, and this is great if you do your nails at home. This is for gel nails. So I really love this lamp. Along with that, this brand for gel nail polish is really good. This comes with a pack of 6 and they're all different shades of pink and like nudie type of colors. I have another video talking about how to use this, how to do your nails at home, your gel nails at home. So you can watch that, and I do go more in depth on the products themselves. But if you're looking for an at-home mani, I think both those are really good. Now, let's talk about 2 items that I bought from Amazon that I don't think are worth it. Number 1, I bought this Knockoff Revlon round brush. And honestly, I know it's 1000% a knockoff. It's not the real Revlon ones. Honestly, like, I use this for like a good year and it just makes me worried when I use it. I feel like it's gonna explode in my hand. The fan, it has the same settings as the Revlon one, but when you use it and you put it on high, it's super loud and it like shakes on the inside. You can just tell it's not good quality. And also, like, a lot of the little spring thingies here have bent. Honestly, there's like better quality brushes like this that you should buy rather than getting the cheap one from Amazon, which is what I did. And then that goes hand in hand with this really cute 3-barrel waver that I wouldn't recommend from Amazon. Another really cheap one that whenever I use it gives you this type of hairstyle, but I didn't create this hairstyle with this one here. In the past I would have, and it does give you the same effect, but I actually was gifted one, a waver like this from FOXYBAE, which is 10,000 times better, and it doesn't feel like you're frying your hair. This one, whenever I use it, I always felt like I was kind of like damaging my hair. The quality isn't there. It's pretty cheap, I'm not gonna lie. It's super cute, but I think that there's better salon quality hair wavers like this that you should spend your money on versus paying like 30 bucks and getting another cheap knockoff style. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend this. I would actually recommend FOXYBAE for both of these. They have two exact same products like this, but the FOXYBAE ones are way better quality and doesn't damage your hair, and I feel like both of these were quite damaging to my hair. That's it for the video today. I just wanted to let you know some of my favorite products that you probably shouldn't buy from Amazon. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you've tried anything down below. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!